This is the Irontrader. It is Sunday night. Now the futures just opened up here about 30 minutes ago, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, you can see here where we went right on up here and then hit this top at 84.89. Above this key resistance levels here at 83.53. Always a very, very good bullish sign. The problem is you just couldn't hold it. Okay, so now what we want to do is look at the downside. So what we want to do is look here at this key level right here. This is sitting at 82.83. That is your 8 SMA. Now, if that's lost, always look to the previous day's high and low in the closing. So if you look at Friday's low, you're looking at 82.23. And then if that's lost, then we come right here. You're looking at 81.52. Then here we have 80.59. And then here's your 21-day sitting at 80.08. Now, again, if that is lost, then we just keep looking all the way on down here. You're looking at 79.05 here. You're looking at 78.69. And then you work your way right here to this 200 SMA sitting at 76.77. And then what we have there is you have a nice cross here on your 50 SMA at 75.04. And then your Hondo sitting at 74.86. Okay, so now we know where your downside. Now your upside is you want to look to Friday's high. Okay, so you're looking at 83.50, 81. Okay, that is what you're going to be trading in. Now you need to close above this key level right here. This is 83.53. See that? Now, if you can close above, then we look at this candle here, the top of that at 83.81. Then we come over here, you're looking at 84.65, and then your 84.89 retest. Now, when we get to the weekly chart and the monthly, I'll show you where it's going to go if, big if you can close above 84.89. Okay, so now you know where your upside is, and then always watch this key 8 SMA here and watch the previous day's low, which would be Friday's low at 82.23. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and a monthly. Okay, monthly chart, still looking very, very bullish. Of course, the monthly just started here. It's only the 13th. So what we're going to do is you're above here, your 100, your 50, your 200, and your key 8 SMA here, sitting at 76.36. So those will be your support levels. On the upside, you have this 83.53 here on this candle right here. And then we go to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 84.89. And then if you can get above, your big target is going to be 86.24. But before we get there, let's not get too excited. We got to get past this 100 SMA, sitting at 85.62. That is going to be very, very key. Now, you can see on this here how the price channels now, see how the price channel curved up here to match this candle here? So now we have a nice level up here. See how this level, how they came down, and then you're working your way down? Now, hopefully, you can go to do the same thing, except work yourself right on up. So watch this key level right here, 85.62. And then if it goes above, then we go at 86.24. Now, if it closes above 86.24, no worries. I'll have all the support and resistance levels posted for you at the end of the video here. I usually do that after pit close here at 2:30 on Monday for you. So there's no worries there. Just watch this key one right here, 83.53, and then Friday's high, 84.89. And if you can get above, then we know exactly where we're going to go. Now, on the downside here, look at your 8 SMA here. See how nice this is? Now you're above your 21-day, and you are ready to pinch this 50-day right off here. So your 50-day here is now going to be key support here, 78.18. We have your 78.18 of your 8-day, and then right below it, you got 75.64. Those would be your key levels there of support level, okay? So then, but always watch this level, this candle right here. The bottom of that is 79.90. You always want to watch that. That's always going to be a very, very key level there. And then if that's lost, then we come down to your 50 SMA here, okay? So very, very clear, very, very easy here, setup here. Now, always remember here, if you have an up day on Monday, then what you have is what they call a turnaround Tuesday. Then that's usually a down day, and vice versa. If you have a down day on Monday, look for turnaround Tuesday, she pops right up. Now, remember, your API report will be out on Tuesday, your EI report will be out on Wednesday, and then your natural gas will be out here at 10:30 there on Thursday. All right, let's take a look here at the old Natty Gas. Okay, here we have your Natty Gas, your hourly, and your 4-hour chart. Now, you can see where you basically ran up to 3.018. You double topped right there, sold right on off here. Okay, couldn't get up much here. So now here on the downside, always watch this key 21. You're sitting at 2.77. Right below it, you're looking at 2.76, and then we have your obviously your retest there on your price channel sitting at 2.70, and then right below it is 2.68. So that's your downside. Your upside, watch this 100 SMA here, watch your price channel at 2.83, and then watch your 50 SMA at 2.84. If you can get above, then we just keep looking to like this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.89. We look at this candle here, 2.95, and then we have 2.97. You have 2.99, and then your big retest up here sitting at 3.01. Now, this chart here is looking very good. So just remember, natural gas are expecting a very, very cold winter. If that happens, natural gas is sitting so low here now at 2.80. I mean, this is just like nothing. This could rally up very, very easily here. So always just keep that in mind. Sometimes if you want to buy early, okay, you get in there. Maybe you're not doing too much here if you're longer termer, and then, run it right up into the winter. For me, I do both. I'm long, and then I also do scalps, daily scalps for cash flow. Okay, so here on the 4-hour, watch your key 21 SMA here, and then follow your candlesticks, and then there's your retest. All right, let's take a look on here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, here we have Natty on your old daily chart. Now, this is looking pretty good. Now, you sold down, but you're holding all your key levels here, okay? So your key level of support is going to be 2.75. That's your 8-day, 2.67. That is your 21-day, and then we have your 50-day, 2.59, and then your retest, 2.45. Now, on the upside, you want to watch this candle right here. That's Friday's high, sitting at 2.833. If you can get above, then we look to this candle right here, okay? This is sitting at 2.878. That's going to be very, very key resistance. If you can get above, then we just work ourselves right on up here. You got 2.99 here, and then you have 3.01. Now, again, if you can close above this here, this is the candle we're looking for right here, okay? 3.02. So far, you've got a double top in place here. You're basically 3.02, and then this candle right here sitting at 3.018. There's your double top here. Now, again, if you can close above, that negates that double top, and then she goes higher. Where's it going? Right here. Look at your 200 SMA, 3.37, and then if you can get above that, here we come right here at 3.76. That is going to be your upside here. And watch these key support levels here, your 8, your 21, your 50-day key support levels here. So far today, we have an inside day. And then watch tomorrow, watch that key Friday's high tomorrow at 2.83. All right, thanks for listening. And I tell you what I do. I will be back tomorrow morning here before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil here and natural gas and get you going for the day.